guys, what's up? We are headed down to Fremont. A couple of the casinos are opening up tonight at 12:01, and one of them's our favorite, the D. So we're gonna go down and check out Fremont Street. So hopefully we make it before 12:01. It's 11:30. We got a late start, but we're going. All right, we made it. Oh man, it's so nice to see people, more people than just us out here, and security.
Surprised Denny's didn't open.
They'll open at 7 a.m. is what it says. Uh-oh, you gotta be 21, cop.
Huh.
All right, well, this is new. All right, guys, so we are going down Fremont Street. Colin is with me, but he is not allowed to be down here right now. You must be 21 or older, have your ID, and absolutely no backpacks. I don't even think she looked. Colin probably could have just walked right in. Oh no, his ID is the other way. Alrighty. It's crazy. There's way more people than I thought would be down here. Welcome back to the D Las Vegas. The bar is open. Maybe I should get a drink. Everyone's just standing around waiting. They must not let them in until 12. This guy's down here. So exciting. Anyway, we're gonna go down and check out Golden Gate because I heard they're gonna be open as well. So this is the crowd right now for the D, Las Vegas. All these people are waiting to get in. I only see a few masks. I did bring one, so I'm assuming Four Queens is not opening because nobody's standing guard at their place. Oh, there's people right there. There's where we get the boot. So right now, I read Four Queens is waiving resort fee. Everybody's waiting on Golden Nugget. Oh, remember how quiet it was last time?
Hey, you do those videos on YouTube all the time, huh?
I do!
Always watching.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Well, I live here. I moved here from Denver a few years ago, but I'm a street performer out here. I do artwork and stuff.
Ah, thanks for watching. I'm doing one now. What time is it, guys? It's 11:56. 4 minutes. Can I make it down to Golden Gate? Anyway, what I was saying, resort fees are waived on Four Queens and also the Sahara. I love it. I can't wait to see the strip tomorrow, you guys. I'm kind of excited right now. All these people down here. It gives me hope for Vegas. So Benion's isn't open. Holy moly, you should see the line down here. That little barbecue place is amazing. All right, I booked it down here. Look at the line to get in. Golden Gate. Oh, I guess it's not as big as it looks from back there. There are a bunch of people. And I don't think Plaza is opening either. So we're gonna go back down by the key. Anyways, Golden Gate, guys. This is Fremont Street, June 3rd. It is about 2 minutes till they open the doors. Governor Sisolak said we could open on June 4th. So, oh, and Pot World is back, you all. It really feels like Vegas now. So I wonder how long it's going to be for them to open it to not just 21 and over. This is so cool. I love all the people and their cameras and the live. I'm going to go live, I think. We are live. It is 12:01 or 12 o'clock. Oh, look how cool. Welcome back, Las Vegas. I don't know what they're doing. This doesn't look like social distancing to me over here. What do you guys say? There's news reporters. There are people from everywhere. It's really cool. I'm excited. Here's your D girls up here dancing. This is Las Vegas and we are back. We are open. I am stoked, you guys. Sorry if I wasn't reading any of your comments. I was trying to walk and hold both cameras, and we are super excited right now to see this many people come out. I'm super excited anyway. And I'm excited Vegas is gonna open. We are gonna go down to the Strip tomorrow morning because that's when everything down there opens. Super excited though, you guys. I don't see very many face masks at all down here. Oh, look at that bartender. It's got like a face shield, like a welding shield on her. Oh, they must have to make drinks. God, I bet that girl feels awkward. And they're dancing with masks on. That does not sound very fun to me. Let's go down by Pizza Rock. Let's see if Colin will meet us over by Pizza Rock. So the good news is Colin says he is at the Grand. All right, we're gonna see what they make us do at the D. We're gonna try to go through. I'll let you guys know once I'm in. All right, guys. So they checked my temperature as I came in. We're gonna see what they got going on. Holy crap, you guys! Wild. I am in disbelief. There's real social distancing going on, huh? Wow. This is crazy. There are no dividers up at the table games, you guys. Slot World is poppin'. I love it. I am so excited. Vegas is back. I don't know why we're stopped. Oh yeah. She's winning. Slot World. Right there. You guys, this is the D Las Vegas. We are in one of the first casinos that opened. It reopened back in, I don't know, you guys. I feel like I need to play something. What should we play? I feel like I need to play Wonka. Let's try. Everybody's in line to get a player's card. Slot World. Oh my God. It is chaotic in here. Good word, right? Wow. We got the table games. Oh look, the roulette board only has 5 numbers. There's 6 numbers on it. On the escalator. See what's over here. Oh, Sigma Derby is what I really want to play, but I don't have that kind of time. Wow. Alrighty. Oh, this is so fun. They changed their high limit slots over here, guys. So it used to be in this back area. Oh, they put another bar in over here. Wow. So different. Oh, there's the Circus Sports. Sigma Derby. It's our favorite. And it looks like all of them's open, but one. Alright. Looks like all of these machines are paying out. None of them have hit in a while, so people are winning. Too bad I sat out Willy Wonka. So they're trying to social distance at every other machine, but people are just standing up on the machines. That's the crazy part. This chick just won. She's excited. Aww. I feel like this is why everybody came here, because they knew the slots would be loose. We're gonna walk around the table, see what the limits are for you guys, okay? Table games are roulette, $15 minimum. We got blackjack over here, $15 minimum, $15 minimum. We got $15 minimums on everything. Yeah. Let's see what craps are. Yeah, $15 minimum. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy our video.